Well, dental insurance has come a long way. Still some work to be done, though, to cover those who need it most. PJ Saberton of Saberton Denture and Implant joins us with more now. And this is kind of really what denture and implant coverage can be made now with these new improved services.
Yeah, so if we can pull the first slide that I brought up and take a look at it, you'll see the breakdown of what's in place or how many people have insurance.
Okay.
And it's quite surprising because you can see more than a third of Canadians don't have any coverage at all. Mm-hmm. And what's worse is that this is 10-year-old data, so there's not a lot of info. And this is before the gig economy, the Uber drivers, so they don't have insurance either.
Right. And
the other thing is, this insurance isn't binary, meaning people have good insurance, some just covers exams, so it's about 5 million of Ontarians out of 15 who have nothing, and another 5 who are underinsured, we figure. So.
Okay, but there's a new program for seniors.
There is, and if you want to pull up the second slide, you can see
who's covered here.
Yeah, it is quite limited, but it's a first start kind of thing. So, $22,000 income for a single person, and $37,000 for a couple. 65 and older, and residents of Ontario. And it's a fantastic program, and the individuals working in this, we're working closely with them, and they're unbelievable in how they're helping people, but it is limited.
Mm-hmm. Because a denture or an implant, whichever one you can afford, it really makes a difference in how your face is structured, how you eat.
Yeah, and it does, and it affects your health overall. Mm-hmm. That's the sad part of it, and right now it's up to the individual to save up, and we all don't have rainy day funds for root canals kind of thing, right?
Right. So is there, is there a set average of what to expect if you've never had dentures before of what it could be? Say it's to cover like maybe, because you see a lot of like partial plates or something where there's maybe 4 teeth that need to be covered.
Yeah, so that's why we offer free consultations, because the key is with the insurance that when you don't have insurance, you're twice as likely to need teeth extracted, and 40% less likely to go to the dentist. So we want to make sure that the doors are open for free consults to get people to come in, because the behavior, even on the senior program, what we're really noticing is it's not, when you give people insurance, it's not immediately like easy. They're adapting. They're having trouble adapting. It's almost like going to the gym if you've never been. Right. And you're expected to know. Okay, so it's a good idea to find out, because do you work with clients to find out if they're covered or not? Absolutely. We work very closely, and like I said, they're fantastic in helping these people. It's just unfortunate that it's limited at this time. So. Okay, and we've got about a minute left, but I want to talk to you about how, who decides if you get dentures or if you get an implant? Does it Is it matter like how many teeth are affected? Well, that's again the free consultation to come in and see us, because you need a professional, and a lot of people like to go on Google and self-diagnose. Yes. But unfortunately, especially if it's a tooth in the back, you think it's no big deal. Yeah, but it affects your bite. Exactly, and so it's best to come to the professional and get the the assessment that way. Mm-hmm. Especially because our teeth move constantly, right? That's right, yeah. All the time. So, okay, so we'll get that, all the information, we'll get the links up to your social media as well, and to your website where people can find out if they're covered and covered for what, up on our website at chch.com/morninglive. Thanks, PJ, for coming in. Thank you.